Hi everybody and welcome back to Small Caliber Arms Review. I'm Richard and today I want to take a little bit of time to talk about safety and safety on the range in particular. A couple of years ago I did a really dumb thing. I've probably done a few dumb things, but a couple of years ago I caught a ricochet to the cheek while shooting at some steel targets with a 22. Wasn't a good idea what I did, but luckily I had glasses on and the bullet caught me in the cheek, which was amazing because it was almost straight there and straight back to me. But I was at home, so I was able to come in the house and my wife assisted me on digging the piece of lead out and getting it all cleaned up and everything. But had I been at a public range somewhere, maybe just out in the field somewhere doing some shooting, somewhere where I didn't have any kind of assistance, a little pack like this might have come in pretty handy because I didn't have the stuff I needed out there. I had to come into the house and get some care from my wife. But anyways, let's open this thing up and take a peek at it. All right, this is from a company called MyMedic, and it's just this is a really small pack here. It's like an individual or a solo pack, and this one is what they call the range kit, and it's got some straps on the back here. You can put it through your molly webbing if you've got one, or you can just slide it over your belt and carry it on your side when you're out there shooting. They're pretty secure snaps too. But we open it up and take a look at what's inside of it. Surprisingly, there's quite a bit of stuff in here. You got a little bit of saline solution to clean up a wound if you need to. You got a pair of scissors here in case you have to cut some clothing off to get to the wound. You got a little pair of tweezers in here, really fine point on these tweezers, and they've got a little piece of tubing under that keeps them closed. Underneath here, you've got a this is a emergency pressure bandage, 4" by 60", 4 by 177 stretched out. So this is the kind that you can really stretch around there, apply a little bit of pressure on it, wrap it, and they kind of stick to themselves, sort of. It's all nice and sealed up there. Underneath the other side here, you got a whole bunch of little goodies under here. A compressed crinkle gauze sterile bandage here. You got these little Ziploc bags. You got some sting relief in there. You got an antiseptic towelette. There's probably a couple other little things in these bags. Alcohol prep pad. You got a couple of the antiseptic wipes, just a 1 pack of sting relief, the 1 alcohol pad, a pair of black latex rubber gloves. You got some Benadryl in here, you got some Advil. Let's see, Benadryl, Pepto-Bismol, Tylenol, Advil. Got some more stuff in here. You got some assortment of bandages in here. You've got some lip balm. You got some hydrocortisone cream, triple antibiotic ointment, burn shield, white petroleum, Vaseline pretty much. There's probably some more stuff in here. It's a nice little kit, and there's a lot of stuff packed in here, and it's these you know, little single-use, single-serving packs, I guess you could say. All right, lip balm, burn shield, sunscreen, hydrocortisone cream, triple antibiotic ointment, and again the white petroleum skin protectant. And I think that's pretty much it for this little pack here. Nice little pack. It's made of nylon. Got a little pouch on the front there if you want to store a couple extra little things in there. It's a pretty tight fit with all the stuff they've packed in here. So, I mean, it's got everything you need for, you know, kind of a minor emergency. But the good thing about MyMedic is if you go on their website, and I'll put a link in the description, they have different packs for all kind of things, whether it's minor stuff like this one's good for, or whether it's major trauma. MyMedic sells a bunch of different kits. Another nice thing about it is HSA approved. So if you have a health savings account and you want to buy one of these, you can buy it with your pre-tax HSA dollars. We're going to try to get everything packed up in here again and get it all put back in this pack, and then we'll talk a little bit more about them. All right, I managed to be able to get everything stuffed back in this little pack here. It's a good little pack to have with you if you're out on the range. It's a good little pack to put in your rifle bag or your gun bag or whatever if you're going to the range, or if you're going to the woods, you want to do a little bit of hunting, carry something like this with you. I mean, even if you just get a minor splinter, you've got stuff in there to take care of it. If you get a pretty good size cut or catch a ricochet like I did one time, and you know, you've got the stuff in here you may need to take care of the situation should it arise. Hopefully you'll buy this and never need it, but you never know. It's better to have it and not need it than it is to need it and not have it. If you go on MyMedic's website, they've got a whole bunch of different kits in there for all different kind of situations. And like I said, if you have an HSA account, you can buy this with your pre-tax HSA dollars. So it's a win-win any way you look at it. And if you want to get this for a gift for somebody, if you know somebody who does a lot of shooting or a lot of hunting or something like that, you can get one of these to put in your car, or you can get one to put in your boat. They sell a waterproof one in a waterproof case for your boat. They even have kits for your pets. If you're going out hunting and take a dog with you or something, they've got stuff in there to take care of the dogs, should you need it. Good quality product, made in Utah, made in the United States. Nice little bag there. You got a little carrying handle on the top there. You've got the belt loops on the back, or you can put it on your molly webbing if you have a chest rig or just a pack that you carry. I've got this one right here I usually carry around. It's got the molly webbing on it, so I can put this right on the front of it there. Good quality product. Like I said, you can use your HSA dollars to purchase this if you want, and you can give them as a gift if you want to. That's a gift that says you care. Anyways, thanks for taking a look at the MyMedic range kit with me, and thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review. If you could, hit this button over here to subscribe, hit this button up here to check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review.